Hello, good afternoon to all the parents and students. I hope you're all keeping safe and preparing very well for your annual examinations. There are a few instructions and points to be noted, first by the students and then by the parents. So we'll start with the points to be noted by the students. As you all know, the whole academic year is done, almost, except for your examinations. And you all know that your syllabus has been completed and all the subjects revision has been started and the revision tests are going on. So for the students of grade 9 and 10, you have to attend those revision classes, you have to attend those revision tests so that you can assess yourself, so that you can make a list of the doubts and the topics that you do have, and the doubts that you have with the topics, and then within the revision classes you can clear them and be prepared 110% for the annual examinations. So make sure you attend all the classes, clear all your doubts, attend the revision tests and ask the teacher for the explanation, and then do good in your annual examinations. All the very best to the students. And now coming down to the parents, I need not say this, that you have to take extra care of the students now that they are appearing their uh, annual examinations of grade 9, and especially the grade 10 students who will be attending their board examinations for the first time. So there are a few points I want you to actually follow. Give them a learning environment. How do you say, how do I define the learning environment? Then keep them in that mood. If they are distracted, if they are going using their mobile phone for a long time or watching TV for a long time, stop them there. Tell them that this is the crucial time for you. This is a crucial time when the annual examinations are coming over, the board examinations are coming over, and push them, motivate them, and get them into that learning environment as it has to be followed. And for grade 10 students, we have already given a timetable, daily timetable to be followed. And for grade 9 also, you would have prepared a timetable by now. Stick to it, follow it, and go through the revision thoroughly. And whatever the doubts are there, we, the subject teachers, are all present for you. We are all here for you. You can drop in your doubts anytime with the class teacher and ask the class teacher to get those doubts cleared from the subject teachers. We can even arrange a few revision and doubt classes for you if you have certain doubts in the topics, but you have to come up with those things. And especially my grade 10 students, make sure you do not waste any of your time. It's only 2 months from here on. April, you'll again be into the revision mode, so now is the time for you to study well. And one more reminder for the parents, I would say this would be a final reminder for the payment of fees, whichever is pending, how many ever installments are pending for you. The last date to pay them is February 15th. I repeat, it is 15th of February, which is 10 days from now. So make sure you clear all the installments that are being pending, and if you have already paid, ignore this, and if you have not paid, make sure you pay this before 15th of this month, which is February, for both grade 9 and grade 10 students. And this is a final reminder because the annual examinations will be starting from 22nd February. So you have to keep your students into that environment and make sure that there are no distractions, or you would say there is no chaos during the annual examinations. So keep them out of all this chaotic environment and pay the fee by 15th of February. You can pay by any means. You can go to the school and pay it by cash or check, or you can drop into the HDFC Bank account that the school has. And if you want the account details, you should already have it by now. And if you want the account details, you can contact your class teacher. They'll provide you the account details. And moreover, for any other fee related issues or fee related concerns or discussions, you need to contact our administrative head, that is Mr. Suman Ghosh. He'll be available to you in the school from 9:30 a.m. in the 9:30 a.m. till 1 p.m., which is 1 noon. So make sure you follow all these instructions and make sure you give an hassle-free environment for the students, a learning environment for the students. Keep them safe, keep the society safe, and all the best to all my students. Thank you so much. Have a good day.